Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you sue someone in another country for defamation? The short answer is yes, it's technically possible, but the long answer is that it's incredibly difficult, expensive, and often not practical for most people. This isn't a simple process where you just file a lawsuit in your local courthouse. There are several huge hurdles you would face. First, you need to establish jurisdiction. This means a U.S. court must have the legal power to hear your case against someone living in another country. It's not enough that you felt the harm in the U.S. The foreign person must have had some minimum contacts with the U.S., or their defamatory statements must have been specifically aimed at the U.S. audience. This can be a very tough legal argument to win, especially if the statements were made on a general website or social media platform that wasn't specifically targeting Americans. Second, even if a U.S. court decides it has jurisdiction, there's the problem of choice of law. Which country's defamation laws will apply to your case? Will it be U.S. law, or the law of the country where the defamer lives? Defamation laws vary greatly from country to country. What is considered defamatory in the U.S. might be protected free speech elsewhere, and vice versa. This can significantly change your chances of winning. Third, you have to actually serve the lawsuit papers on the person in the other country. This is called service of process. You can't just mail it to them. There are specific international rules and treaties, like the Hague Service Convention, that dictate how legal documents must be delivered. This process can be very slow, confusing, and require working with foreign governments or their legal systems. It often takes many months, or even years, just to get the papers served correctly. Fourth, even if you win your case in a U.S. court and get a judgment for money, how do you collect that money? This is called enforcement of judgment. Most foreign countries do not automatically recognize or enforce judgments from U.S. courts. This means you would likely have to take your U.S. court judgment to the foreign country and start a new lawsuit there to ask their courts to enforce the U.S. judgment. This is another long, expensive, and uncertain legal battle. You would need lawyers in both countries, multiplying your legal fees. The entire process, from start to finish, can easily cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and take many, many years. It is a massive undertaking with no guarantee of success or recovery. So, while it's not impossible, it's a legal path fraught with immense challenges and costs that often outweigh any potential benefits for the average person. Think carefully about the financial and emotional toll before pursuing such a complex international legal battle. Thank you for watching this breakdown of a very complicated legal issue. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and practical advice.